Hi, my name's Joe and I'm at Break Time Billiards. I've been asked to tell you how to hold a snooker cue. Well, there really isn't any difference of holding a snooker cue than any other cue. But there is a difference between a snooker cue and a regular billiard cue. This is a regular billiard cue, and normally on the American taper it goes about 21 inches in. That's the same diameter all the way down, and then it will taper and get larger as it goes down to the joint. On a snooker cue, it is a straight taper from the tip right on through. So when you're using a snooker cue, if you were to use a closed bridge, when you put it down on the table, because it tapers very quickly, it would make your fingers come apart on your bridge as you followed through. So majority of snooker players use a open bridge. This allows for the taper to go through with no problem, and it also allows them to have an unobstructed view of the object ball that they're planning on potting. With this particular cue, you can use an open bridge or a closed bridge, and neither one of those bridges will the stick cause a problem with the hands separating. And that's basically the difference in what you would do with a snooker cue as opposed to what you would do with a regular cue.